So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's Shikesh and today I'm going to unbox the all new Xiaomi Redmi 5, which is a new device from the Xiaomi. So it does have a 3GB and the 32GB ROM variant. So it does have a very cool specification that it does have a 5.7 HD plus display, 12 megapixel back camera and the 5 megapixel front camera with the flash, 450 Snapdragon processor and 3300 mAh battery, which is a good only. So I had purchased this Redmi 5 from offline market, but in online market you will get this Redmi 5 at a price of 9,000. I had purchased from the offline market, so it price is approximately 10,000. So it's good only, and the 10,000 price we are getting this much specifications. As you can see, there are some paper documents and one in the box. In that box we will get the case for that, and this is the normal USB cable, and the charger is not fast charger. It's a means the phone does support the fast charging, but the charger is a normal charger, but it can charge fastly only, so it's not a fast charger, we can say. So let me show you the case and how the case it is. So let me show you the case. So as you can see, here is the box, the case, and it's the white color box. And as you can see, here is the white color box, and as you can see, it's a black color. It's a normal case, as you can see. So I had purchased for as you can see, this is the case. So I had purchased a Redmi 5 for the case. Let me show you the case. So here's the case. It's a normal case. I think this case is better than that the box we are getting the case. So it's good only that we're getting a case. So as you can see at the top, air blaster is there, secondary noise cancellation, 3.5 mm audio jack is available. And one thing is bad, that we are not getting a means earphone. It's a bad thing that we are not getting a earphone. And the back camera is a 12 megapixel, a single rear flashlight, and a fingerprint sensor is available. This is Xiaomi branding, and it have a uni body, means a metal body finishing. And this is a normal USB cable. As I said, the USB cable is there, and at the side nothing is there. A sim regulator tool is there, and it's a hybrid slot at the top. So 3.5 model check, that's on. So here's the case, and I will insert the case in the Redmi 5. And now let me boot up this device. So the Redmi 5 does have a many more cool specification, that it does have a 450 Snapdragon processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs, 3 gigs and a 4 gigs of RAM variant, 16GB, 32GB and 64GB ROM, and price is 8,000, 9,000 and 11,000. But in offline market price is 9,000, 10,000 and 12,000. So it's a good thing. And so as you know, a specification of the Redmi 5 450 Snapdragon processor, it is first used by the Vivo V7. Then we can say it's small brother of the Vivo V7, and the it's not a FHD plus, it is the HD plus display. And I had already set up my fingerprint, and I set up my phone. As you can see, the fingerprint is very fast and responsive. It's really very fast, means we have to touch on the fingerprint and it will unlock. We touch fast, it's really very fast. And so as you can see, it's have a 18:9 aspect ratio display or infinity display with a HD plus display. And at the side we are getting a toggle, means like the means it have a MIUI, its own UI, and means like the Google now, we are getting this at the side. So here's the notifications, some of the notification. And I like the Redmi 5 the most, and as you can see, it does have a rounded corners at the top. So it's a good thing, it's a rounded corner, means in the flagship devices only we are getting, but now that 10,000 price only we are getting this. And it's very fast and smooth. As you can see, it's really very fast and smooth. So I had already set up my phone, and let me show you how much means available ROM we are getting, means with the 32 gigs of ROM, how much ROM we are getting. And let me tell you that it's running on an Android version 7.1.2, and it's a MIUI version 9.2 stable. And as you saw, we are getting approximately 27 of GB. I have installed some of the game and applications in that. So we are getting now 23.04 GB, it's enough. So no need to insert SD card, but if you want to insert the SD card you can insert it. So so as you can see, it does have a rounded corner which I like the most, and swipe up to open the keys, and its camera is a good, only 12 megapixel back camera. So let me click some one picture. So as you can see, this is the picture, and it's very detailing as you can see. So it's a selfie at the night, and it doesn't have a portrait mode, but it does have a portrait mode like thing. It's known as the tilt shifts, means on the option, in the option we are getting. So it's the the shutter also very fast, this, and the phone is really smooth. And one thing I like in the Redmi phones, that we are getting a air blaster. So thanks for watching my video. Like, share and comment to my YouTube channel. Thank you.